Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to keep your clients informed every step of the way with our client portal. Construction projects are exciting and clients want to know what's going on. Keep them updated automatically without the need to manually send emails or text messages multiple times a day. As the project manager, you decide which types of information and details are shared. Your clients can log in and approve an estimate, generate a change order, view photos, respond to RFIs or submittals, and pay their invoice. With our file viewing and upload feature, you can share all the documents and photos you want your client to see. Their plans and selection specs are all in one easy to access place. And it is easy for you to post photos of the progress you are making. You know that the better you communicate with your clients, the less likely they will be surprised or kept in the dark. The less likely there will be misunderstandings that can cause extra work and extra expense. Contractor Foreman helps you avoid unexpected financial loss because of miscommunication. Client messaging allows you to keep all communication in one place, not scattered across multiple texts and emails. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to keep your clients informed every step of the way with our client portal.